Hi there, hi boys and girls, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper yesterday was Saturday, January the 2nd, 2021, and the third Sudoku is a binary puzzle, and this binary will be a number, and let me see, 2105. Alright, 2105. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's an 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 ones. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here an O, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Then between two ones comes an O, between two ones comes an O. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here an O, there an O. Between two O's comes an 1. We have now 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And then, let me see. I know between an 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes, there's always an O and a 1 between. So we have here the first one, the second one, the third one, the fourth one. And in a column there's always 4 ones, so the rest are O's. So this should be an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. And then do we need to compare is the question. Yeah, look, this row and that row, empty box, 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. With a 1 here, this should be an O. With a O there, this should be a 1. Otherwise, if I place an O there, this should be then an 1. Then we have identical rows. Not allowed. One of the rules of a binary. Yes. Now we have double O. Here one, there one. 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have now 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Do I need to compare again? No. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between two ones comes an O. 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. And between two O's comes an 1. Finished in 4 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku with only one comparing. I like this, by the way. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few seconds with the last Sudoku of today, of yesterday actually. It will be a tectonic with 1 star. So try this also, because only binaries or only normal Sudokus. It's also good to train your brains with another puzzle like the tectonics, and you will think logical. Yes, because those puzzles train your brains to think logical. All right, so see you later. Bye bye for now.